Hi, it's Jane Hardy from Fabulous Women and, of course, Marvellous Men. Lots going on in the networking field. Why do people attend networking events? And why would you want to attend a Fabulous Women event? Especially if you're a marvellous man. You might think it's too girly or too pink or too feminine. So what we've done to make our networking even more inclusive is we are changing the name. It's still going to be fabulous, but it's called Fabulous Networking. And it's all around collaboration and supporting and helping each other. It's not just a normal networking event where you go in and people sell at you and you're expected to sell back, or give referrals to people that you don't really know, don't really trust. But hey, we're different. We're all about collaboration, working together, working to support you. So my little call to action today is, if you've gone to some of the run-of-the-mill networks, why not try Fabulous Women, soon to be called Fabulous Networking, because that's exactly what it says on the tin. And our new strapline, this is really hot off the press. I don't even know whether I'm supposed to tell you, but hey, it's my business. Oh. So it's Fabulous Networking, and it's the collaborative business community. And I'd really like you to try us out and welcome you to the community, where we will help and support you and your business to grow. Speak to you soon. Take care. Don't be a stranger. Bye.